Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Aimi Sarunizam bin Omar and I am here today to present on the ECE R13H brake testing procedures and their impact on vehicle safety. ASEAN has different national standards and regulations for vehicle safety. To ensure a uniform level of safety, ASEAN agreed to adopt 19 UNECE regulations including ECE R13H, which focuses on braking performance for passenger cars. Braking is one of the most important safety features in a vehicle. ECE R13H sets specific rules to ensure that brakes work properly under different driving conditions. By following this regulation, vehicles can have more reliable braking systems, reducing the risk of accidents. This report explains how the brake test under ECE R13H is conducted, including its details, requirements, and procedures. The first key component of the testing procedure is the service brake system test. This test evaluates the performance of the vehicle's primary braking system during normal driving speeds. The vehicle is tested at various speeds, including 100 km per hour, to simulate typical driving conditions. During this test, several critical parameters are measured, such as the stopping distance, deceleration rate, and the distribution of braking force across each wheel. The second component is the emergency brake system test. This test evaluates the emergency brake, which serves as a backup if the primary braking system fails. In this test, the emergency brake is activated and its ability to safely bring the vehicle to a stop is assessed. The performance threshold required for the emergency brake is a minimum of 50% of the effectiveness of the service brake system during the test. This ensures that the emergency brake is capable of stopping the vehicle in case of an emergency, providing an added layer of safety for both driver and other road users. Next, we move on to the third component of the ECE R13H testing procedures, the parking brake test. The parking brake test is designed to verify that the manual parking brake can keep the vehicle stationary on an incline. The vehicle is positioned on slopes of varying steepness, including an 18% incline for passenger cars, and the parking brake is engaged. The system must prevent any movement of the vehicle without requiring any intervention from the driver. This test is critical to ensure the parking brake performs effectively, preventing the vehicle from rolling and ensuring safety when parked on inclines. The ECE R13H testing procedure outlines several critical requirements to ensure the braking system's effectiveness. First, for deceleration, the service brake system must achieve a minimum average deceleration of 5.8 meter per second squared. In emergency braking situations, the system must generate at least 50% of the braking force produced by the primary braking system, ensuring deceleration even if the main brakes fail. Second, the stopping distance for a passenger car traveling at 100 km per hour must not exceed 40 meters under normal braking conditions. And finally, brake response time is crucial. Braking force must be applied within specific time thresholds set by regulations. Quick response times reduce delays, lowering the risk of collisions and ensuring effective braking. The next one is condition testing. Condition testing is conducted under strict conditions to ensure accuracy and consistency. All tests are performed on clean, dry, and flat asphalt or concrete surfaces, eliminating external influences. The ambient temperature during testing ranges from 0 Celsius to 40 Celsius, simulating normal operational environments and preventing extreme weather from affecting the results. One important test is the brake fade test, which evaluates the braking system's ability to maintain performance under repeated use. Multiple high-speed stop tests assess how well the system performs after consecutive brake applications, evaluating thermal stability and braking consistency. And finally, the ABS testing ensures the anti-lock braking system prevents wheel lockup and maintains stability during emergency braking. This test involves braking on different surfaces, dry, wet, and slippery, confirming that the ABS preserves steering control and vehicle stability in emergency situations. Asian has made significant progress by standardizing the ECE R13H regulations for automotive safety across the region. This harmonization streamlines trade relationships and enforces uniform safety standards as outlined in the Asian Mutual Recognition Arrangement and Asian Whole Vehicle Type Approval. The adoption of ECER 13H enables cross-border vehicle compliance, eliminating redundant testing and certification. As a result, vehicles certified in one Asian country are recognized in all member states without additional regulatory procedures, enhancing trade efficiency. Countries like Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia have integrated ECE R13H into their national policies, strengthening safety and market accessibility. In Malaysia, the National Automotive Policy 2020 emphasizes UNECE regulations, including ECE R13H to boost vehicle safety and competitiveness. Thailand, a major automotive hub, has adopted these standards to enhance exports while meeting international safety requirements. Indonesia, on the other hand, mandates ECE R13H compliance for vehicles entering its market, ensuring high safety standards for local and international stakeholders. The standardization of ECE R13H brings several key benefits to the Asian regions. First, it enhances safety by enforcing stringent brake testing requirements, ensuring safer transportation conditions for consumers. Second, it increases trade by harmonizing regulations, allowing vehicles certified in one Asian country to be readily accepted in others, facilitating cross-border trade. And lastly, it boosts global competitiveness as Asia's commitment to international automotive safety standards strengthens its position in the global market, demonstrating its dedication to high quality and reliable vehicle safety. In conclusion, the ECE R13H brake testing process establishes a clear and structured framework for assessing vehicle safety by evaluating the performance of the braking system under various driving conditions. The regulations set standardized tests for service brakes, emergency stops, and parking brakes, ensuring that vehicles meet critical safety standards. These tests focus on key factors such as brake response time, stopping distance, and deceleration control. By adhering to these strict criteria, ECE R13H enhances road safety, reducing the risk of accidents due to brake failure. Furthermore, it ensures uniform safety standards across all Asian member countries, facilitating trade by enabling vehicles that pass testing in one country to be accepted in others. This standardization eliminates redundant certification process, benefiting both manufacturers and consumers by ensuring consistent safety expectations worldwide. Thank you.